Okay, here's how you make a grilled peanut butter and ice cream sandwich. I have a couple slices of bread that are frozen. It's on a frozen plate. It's been in the freezer. First thing you want to do, spread a layer of peanut butter on both pieces of bread. Not too thick, because you're going to have it on both sides. The bread is frozen, so it's not going to break or bend very easily. Then you can set the peanut butter aside. I have the ice cream that's in the carton, and I'm going to cut a slice of ice cream off the edge. So you can just open it up, slice it like you're slicing a piece of bread. There we go. You put the ice cream on the sandwich. I'll move the ice cream out of the way. Then, once you get the sandwich, and I might trim this so it's not hanging outside. There we go. Once you get your peanut butter and ice cream inside the sandwich, you put it together, squish it down so the edges are kind of sealed a little bit, then put it back in the freezer. Okay, you pull it out of the freezer. While it's still frozen, you butter one of the sides. And I have a skillet or a pan that is already hot. It's been preheated, so I will butter the other side. And it's just like making a grilled cheese sandwich, except for this happens to be peanut butter and ice cream. Because it is frozen, the insides will stay fairly cool, and by the time it's done, the insides will just be melting, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, it's just about ready to flip, so here we go. Looks beautiful. You can see a little ice cream starting to melt out. Alright, as you can see, it's toasted beautifully on both sides. I will put it on a plate. I will cut it in half and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's our sandwich. Slice it in half. It's very similar to a grilled cheese. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Remember, the trick is keep the plate frozen, the bread frozen, make sure the peanut butter is cold, put it and freeze it. This is unbelievably good. Anyway, hope you give us a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed.